of biosimilars in the market. And maybe a few words about myself. I've come across many biosimilar companies. I've been in the pharmaceutical industry for nearly 30 years, and of which 14 years has been very much working on biosimilars. I've worked on clinical and regulatory strategies, as well as overseeing global operation. I've worked on over 12 molecules, various sizes, from the small ESAs and filgrastims all the way to monoclonals, and more recently I've been actually getting very involved in orphan drug biosimilars. I've also been involved in biosimilars very much from concept all the way to launch, which is extremely exciting. It takes you through the whole process. That said, my company is www.shallonbiosimilar.com. Please feel free to visit my site. So maybe we can start with an executive summary. This is not a presentation about the regulations. The regulatory pathways for approval of biosimilars are very well developed all across the world. We have many countries that have established legal and regulatory pathways. The EU, as we all well know, was the first region in the world to set a legal framework. And to date, EMA has approved 22 biosimilars. The legislative route for the US was created in March 2010, and the new law with the US included an interchangeable pathway as well, which came as a surprise to quite a lot of us because it is very different from the EU. And the exciting part is that the FDA has approved 2 biosimilars. Interestingly, a small molecule, the filgrastim, and then we have the recent approval for Inflectra, which is a Celltrion infliximab, in April 2016. And my understanding of my research says there are several under review. So we know how to get the products in licensed. It's being tested. In India we have many biosimilars launched all over the world. But the real challenge is the uptake in the market and what really drives the uptake. And this has really been a very interesting experience from my first launch of a Retacrit for Hospira, and now we're seeing the launches of the monoclonal, as in how has it differed and how much we've learned